how to make homemade Big Mac sauce. The top secret Big Mac sauce recipe has been leaked online. Now you can make it for yourself at home for a fraction of the cost. In a mixing bowl, add the following: mayonnaise, pickle relish, grated onion, ketchup, mustard, rice wine vinegar, sugar, paprika, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Mix thoroughly. Egg mix, 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 egg mix. Give it a taste. Needs more egg mix. Big mix. Big mix. Big, 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 eggplant, eggplant. Add another Big Mac. Add another Big Mac. Add another Big Mac. Add another Big Mac. Add another Big Mac! Perfect! In a slow cooker, add the Big Mac mixture. Fries, Coke. Mix. Cook for 8 hours. Perfection! You've just made McDonald's famous Big Mac sauce at home in a matter of minutes. Enjoy!